Hey everyone, seeing more and more the following loadout for EDCs. Basically, hey, the Cobra Knipex XS, some sort of multi-tool, some sort of folding, some, let's say, variation on these capabilities, meaning, hey, wrench, these guys here, sockets, bits, whatever. This is getting out of hand. This is too much weight to carry. This is the type of stuff you take out in when you go to a holiday. And I'm not meaning when you go to a holiday like to fix your car. No, for day-to-day stuff. You want to fix your car or do something big, you take out something like this and put it in your bag and work with it. Yeah, big stuff, many stuff, the big boys. Okay, so what I'm proposing here is the following. Let's get back to basics. This is too much weight to carry. By basic, I mean the following. Something like this. Yeah? This type of stuff. Now, there is one for each occasion. Yeah? There is even one with, how do you call it, with pliers inside them. Meh, I don't have that one. Kind of iffy. Never had to use it. Yeah? Now, you also want a light. Here are potential lights. Yeah, this Fenix one is really powerful. Yeah, and of course for this one, take out the proper light. Yeah, the big boy. So, joking on that. So, I'm also seeing stuff like Belroy pouches, $100 a pop, or Maxpedition, $30. What the crap? All you need in order to put this and this together is this. Okay? Put it in your pocket, forget about it. It's so small, so light, you will carry it. That's the main thing. Yeah, you will carry it. You need to use it? Perfect. You need to put it back? Easy. You need to turn on the flashlight? Spinning. Problem solved. Same stuff with everything else. Yeah, all my lighters, my small lighters, have this velcro on them because it's useful. Okay? Oh, and by the way, let me show you something really quick. If I have what I need over here. Let's do it like this. Check this out. Glasses, right? Ha. I'm blinded as a bat without them. You can even rig yourself something like this. Okay? If you need it. Again, just a piece of velcro. Nothing expensive. But if you can basically buy something like this with how do you call this? With some sort of fixing capability to your hat, to your whatever. Yeah, much easier to do. Okay. This seems a bit loose. Let's fix it. Put it up a little bit. Do this. Do this. And now it's good. You want to use the flashlight? Good. You want to take this out and use it? Good. Put it back. It will not go anywhere. So, hopefully, this was useful. For day-to-day stuff, at least for me, I don't need all this capability, okay? I just need basically this guy here. Yeah, much easier to work with this one. Thanks.